Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to our brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI for affiliate marketing. So first of all, I will need you to go guys and start open your browser and go ahead and search for OpenAI. Now, let's go ahead and the bottom of or the top of the website, click on this try button and then it will take us to this website. Here, they will ask you first to enter your information. So they will ask you to log in or create an account. So create an account, it will be simple and really fast. And right after that, we go here and we say hi to check if the bot or the AI is working. So nice, it is working. So what is affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? So now it will start generating some information about affiliate marketing, etc. And so go on. Now, can you help me with affiliate marketing and how can I start practicing it? So, sure, I'd be happy to help you with affiliate marketing. Here are a few steps to get started. You search different affiliate programs, look for a business or product that you are interested in promoting, and research their affiliate programs. Make sure they have, so as you can see here, they will give us bunch of a limited source of informations that you can start with these informations as a base for you to start as affiliate marketing of your products. So as you can see here, already they gave us like an introduction or definition of affiliate marketing, and now the steps on how to make a good affiliate marketing and how to start making it. So yeah, guys, whatever other question that you can get in your mind about affiliate marketing, you can just get to ChatGPT, ask this bot, and in the end, it shall help you out and answer your questions. So yeah, guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.